Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can distribute objects along your curve using an interesting tool in Maya called Mesh. You can get access to Mesh from your shelf. If you check here, you will see Mesh. Also, if you don't see it here for any reason, you can switch from modeling menu to FX menu and you will see that one of the main menus will be changed, and you can also select Mesh, create Mesh network. First of all, you need to have an object. Go to Mesh shelf and select the first icon, create Mesh network. Open your attribute editor here, go into your Mesh distribute node, change distance x back to 0 and just add number of points. Select Mesh 1 and just add curve. Select add curve node. You can also check a Mesh editor. If you click here from your shelf, you will also see all your Mesh network. Make sure you have NURBS curve, not Bezier curve. So select Mesh curve here. Select your curve from outliner with middle mouse button. You need to click and drag it in the input curves here, where you have Mesh 1 curve node open. You see what happens? Maya will start distributing object along the curve, but also you will still have access to the object in outliner. If you want, you can select it and click H on your keyboard, so you will still see your object because you might want to change it a little bit. First, let's adjust our distribution first. I will select curve. You see there is a settings called step. If I change it, I can move the object along all the curve, and then if I go back to distribute node here, I can adjust number of points to match it better. For example, it could be something like this. And the other thing you can do, you can select your object and decide that you want to change something. Like, for example, maybe I want to move those two faces closer, and you'll see that you'll also update all your Mesh network, as well as you can just rotate it to another angle or even change the scale. So the other thing you can do, you can add extra object to your Mesh network and also distribute it along the curve. Now let's just create a cube. To do that, you need to find Mesh 1 repro node. Select your new object with middle mouse button, click and drag here. Then you go to your main Mesh node. You need to add ID node on top of that, so you click on it and select add ID node, and here you just need to add 2, and now you will see that Maya just added another object on the same path. You can also select and adjust it.